How to make un ami. The story of Elliot and Elodie. Elliot and his mom went to the same cafe each week. Oui, c'est Elliot. The same smells, tastes, and sounds were there, but today he heard a squeak. A happy little girl sat beside them with her dad. When she laughed that squeaky laugh, how could anyone feel sad? It was clear she had a lot to say from the way she moved her hands. Elliot wanted to laugh too, but he could not understand. I can hear them talking, but I don't know what they say. They know a different language, so they speak a different way. How can we be friends if she won't know what I say? Let's open up our minds. I'm sure we'll find a way. Excuse me, we speak English. Can you tell us what you speak? Nous parlons français, said the dad of the little girl who squeaks. Hello, I am Elliot. Bonjour, je suis Elodie. And this began the story of two wonderful amis. Elodie picked up her mug and said, le chocolat chaud. Aha, thought Elliot. He raised his up too and said, hot cocoa. The new friends hopped off their chairs and looked around for things to name. And just like that, les amis had created a new game. Fenêtre, window, cake, gâteau. Elliot pointed to a man wearing a hat, and Elodie said, chapeau. That's enough, Elliot. Ça suffit, Elodie. And to all the other people, the parents said, sorry. Mais non, said the man wearing le chapeau. We are learning, said la famille, eating le gâteau. Les œufs, squealed Elodie to Elliot's eggs. Les jambes, she squeaked with laughter as she pointed to her legs. Regarde, look, livre, book. Le chef, the cook. Cookies, said le chef. En français, les biscuits. Thank you, asked Elliot, and Elodie taught him to say merci. Shall we count the cookies? Combien de biscuits? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Red, yellow, green. Rouge, jaune et vert. Those are the colors. Ce sont les couleurs. Well done, said Mama. Papa said bravo. On y va. Elodie. Elliot, time to go. Au revoir and thank you, said the man in le chapeau. Goodbye, said la famille who had finished their gâteau. Au revoir, Elliot said to Elodie. I'll see you next week. À bientôt, shouted Elliot's new friend with the funny little squeak. Mama, how do I say friend like Elodie? Good question, Elliot. She would say un ami. You see, les amis, if we keep our minds wide open, the learning never ends. And when we try to understand, we might just make new friends. Bravo, les amis. Et la fin.